how to fix mouse keep disconnecting. So if you want to fix your mouse disconnecting problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply check your mouse is plugged in or not. So if it has a faulty USB cable, then you need to check that if it's working properly or not. You can also insert it with another port to see if the problem is fixed. Or the other thing is your mouse that you're using right now might be damaged, so you might need a new mouse. So just go and buy a new mouse. But if it is still doesn't fixing your problem, then what you need to do is go with your run. So right click on your Windows and click on run. And here you need to enter powercfg.cpl and then hit the enter. And it will take you to the power options. Now make sure that you've selected the advanced option or high performance section. If you have high performance, then make sure that you've selected high performance. And after that, you need to go with change plan settings, which is on the right side. And then you can go with change advanced power settings. And here you need to go with the USB settings and then again click on USB selective suspend setting. And here, make sure that it is disabled. Now, the other thing you can do is to disable your power management. This will also fix your problem. So to do that, you need to just simply click on your Windows and then you need to type device manager, or you can just right click on your Windows and you will have device manager. Just click on it. And here you need to find universal serial bus controllers, or you may also have universal serial bus devices. You need to just go with it. And here, if you've not updated, you need to just click on each of them and then go into the properties and go with the driver section. Under drivers, you need to just go with the update driver. Once you update it, then your problem might be fixed. Or the other thing you can do is just double click on it, and here under your power management, just uncheck the option of allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and go with OK. And after that, restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.